So I'm just getting ready to pull the motor out of this parts car, and it's found this cool thing. So you know how these rear transmission mounts get all mucky because they get oil on them? Well, somebody put that in, and this looks like it's half of like an oil jug. It acts as a shield so the oil blowing back doesn't get on the mount. And I just thought, really cool, inexpensive thing. They kind of just sort of wedged it in between the top of the mount and the bottom of the transmission. So that's just way cool. So this thing, the car is just about stripped out. I haven't taken the axles out yet because I don't know if I need to push it around a bit more. And I still need to drop the gas tank out of it too. But it's slowly going away. Poor thing. Wasn't really that bad a car, but it needed the front cross brace and the sheet metal and the hood off of this to fix the TR8. And you can't get front fender members or hoods new, otherwise I would have. This wasn't that bad a car, but boy, it just needed everything. It was all there, but the fully automated starting device didn't work, so the motor wouldn't run right, and it looks like it might have been like a father and son project because there's a lot of kind of iffy work in it. Anyway, just thought that was kind of cool solution to a common problem on these cars. Hope you enjoyed it. I say this is way easier to pull out with the nose off. There's hardly any angle. Just have to pick it up high enough to clear the motor mounts. Out it came. It took the shifter off, of course. Usually you got to pull this thing at an extreme angle like that to get it clear of all this stuff. So, of course, taking this off is not the easy part. You have to usually shoot off, but you have to struggle with this front end. It's all welded together. There's a couple of bolts here, but all these connections on this front panel are all welded in. So, just pick it up a bit more. All in on it. Well, as you normally have, this brake line's in the way, but here it comes. If you get it clear of this motor mount on this side, pick it up a bit more. I gotta tell you, I love this air-operated hydraulics on this thing. I don't give her work with an engine crane very much, but going up and down by hand, very tedious. That's the accelerator cable pulled out of the way. I'm getting hung up on little bits and pieces. Oh yeah. Not exactly a big problem, but still won't go with it there because we couldn't reach it from that side. We have to go to this side. I'll put you guys down for a minute. There we go. That was the hood latch. And that should finally be clear. There we go. A nice empty engine bay. So I stripped most of the parts out of here already too. A few more to take out. Surprising how nice a brake line can be when it's protected inside the body. It's original equipment. So it's from 1979, so 42 years old. Not bad, not bad. Of course, this is California. Just a quick pause in the video to remind you to like and subscribe, and to stay tuned for more editions of Stripping a TR7. See you then. So here's what a clutch looks like after it's been sitting together too long. See all this rust? You see that rust there? And look at this. It's rusted solid. I'm gonna have to get something to get that off of there. This is why you have such a hard time when a clutch rusts up trying to break it free. You can put the clutch pedal in it, if you're lucky one side breaks free. Everybody telling you, start it in gear and all this other stuff. But that thing is really on there. There we go. So I used a gasket scraper to get it loose because it's a nice thin end to get in there. You'll see the rust there? And that's because this car's been sitting for, it's been in my backyard for at least 7 years. The clutch itself doesn't look bad. See how deep the material is next to the rivets? And it's tight. I wonder who made it. Flywheel side. Now it's in multi-languages. I don't see the manufacturer. I'd say it was alright, but boy, that was solid. That was frozen solid. Now we got the transmission off. It's a nice 5-speed. This is the clutch fork that likes to break. Right here. How this one is. Could be better. Looks like the pads are pretty worn. But we'll see. Hopefully we'll find another project to put that in.